1199. I had mentioned in first half at 10:30, and my lord directed me to mention at 2:15.
Yes.
My lord, it is in respect of STT examination 2019. The Bihar School Examination Board was supposed to declare the result as per terms of advertisement that says विषय बार एवं कोटि बार बराबर कुल पद के बराबर अभ्यर्थी. Therefore, only 37,000 something result was to be declared, but the board has declared 2,000 candidates as successful. This is contrary to terms of the advertisement.
But what is your grievance?
My grievance, I am within 37,000 and they have treated unequal as equal.
Now, how will it adversely affect your career? It is not with respect, it is with respect to filling up a vacancy. Now, I quite see that contrary to the terms of the advertisement, which was taken out for a particular number of posts, more results have been declared. Now, is it an interim result? Is it just the cutoff and the names of the person who fall within that cutoff, or is it the result?
Beloved, the board was, as per advertisement, board had to declare the result as per post.
All right. So tell us the terms of the interview. Tell us the terms of the advertisement and which has been.
May I read, my lord?
Please.
Yes. शिक्षा विभाग बिहार पटना से विषयवार एवं कोटिवार पद का विवरण उपलब्ध कराए जाने के बाद कुल पद के बराबर अभ्यर्थियों का विषयवार एवं कोटिवार मेधा सूची तैयार किया जाए. एंड
ये तो बड़ा ओपन एंडेड है कि कितनी वैकेंसी है वो पता करके उतने पोस्ट के लिए क्लास किया जाए.
और एडवर्टीजमेंट में पोस्ट दिया हुआ है 37,440.
37,440. This is for which post?
Two different posts, class 9 and 10 and 11 and 12.
9 and 10 and 11 and 12. टोटल 37,440 के लिए एडवर्टाइज किया.
जी.
अभी रिजल्ट क्या निकाला है?
80,402.
ये कौन सा रिजल्ट है?
STT 2019.
STET तो परीक्षा वो फॉर फिलिंग अप द वैकेंसी है या फॉर क्लासिफिकेशन है?
As per advertisement, it was for appointment because it says कुल पद के बराबर.
पद के बराबर. STET का फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
सेकेंडरी टीचर एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट.
तो सेकेंडरी टीचर एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट में जो पास करेंगे उनकी पात्रता बनेगी. जरूरी नहीं है कि वो सब अपॉइंट हो जाए. जरूरी कि वो सब अपॉइंट हो जाए. That would depend on further mode of examination. I don't know what kind of argument. How are you aggrieved? If the pool has been increased, all right, you can say that you face a tough competition. But पात्रता की वो एडवर्टीजमेंट जो है STT पात्रता डिसाइड करने के लिए है. People who get clearance, who get the certificate of having passed STET, BTET, NET, whatever, they form the pool from where selections are made. Now this examination was not for giving you appointment. This was for achieving the basic requirement for that examination. So you say, how do you say that the pool has increased, thereby adversely affecting your cause? To understand.
Advertisement clearly stipulates the total number of posts.
STET की परीक्षा आपको अपॉइंटमेंट स्ट्रेट अवे तो नहीं दिला रही है ना?
जी ना.
सिंपल सवाल है. तो जब नहीं दिला रही है तो ये केवल पात्रता की बात है. Has the BPSC or any body violated any rule?
But the result is contrary to the terms of advertisement.
Urgency. Next. We will wait.
I am
putting these questions to you only for assessing the urgency because matters are to be heard in seriatim. I mean, if you want to you must satisfy the court that the matter is very urgent. That's all. I'm not shutting you out, Mr. Mukesh Kumar. You can argue later. We will see. Yes.
Serial number 2, item number 206, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My case is almost similar to the case which Shri Mukesh just mentioned. If I could just submit your lordship, my lord,
Yes.
advertisement was that only that result would be published, the exact number of result and the post would be same, your lordship. Now, my lord, initially the Bihar School Examination Board published the result of total number of candidates for which the posts were advertised. Now, subsequently, your lordship, they have changed, and even those candidates who were not in merit, your lordship, they have been taken into, and now the total number of result have been declared to be 80,000, your lordship. Initially, it was just 30,000 something, your lordship.
Absolutely, the BPSC was wrong in saying once the process of selection would be contingent on anybody passing that test, and that is the basic criterion. So even if the number is more than the posts advertised or posts having been enumerated as vacant, this does not disturb your schedule. Sorry, there is no urgency, Mr. Prince Kumar Mishra. Come at
Number 219, your lordships.
Yes.